This is my version of mince pies requested by my beloved. Mince pies fillings are dried fruits and nuts, so I'm removing the pips of dates here. And for nuts, I have hazelnuts and walnuts. And I have another dried fruit here. Dried mango would be very new for this mince pies recipe. But if you cannot find dried mangoes, dried apricots is fantastic. A little bit of chopping is part of your prep. My top tips for today: use the meat tenderizer to crack or chop the hazelnuts. We need 2 grated apples, red and green, grating apples. Zest of orange is a very festive aroma. We have the zest, now we need the orange juice. Butter, egg, muscovado sugar, ground cinnamon, grated apple, chopped dried fruits and nuts, orange juice. The smell in the kitchen is so Christmassy. Butter and flour for the dough. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest. Dough is well rested and it's ready for rolling out. Exercise. Ready for the oven.